Does the iPhone 8 have a headphone jack?
Hello everyone. Today we're answering a common question in the world of Apple products. Does the iPhone 8 have a headphone jack? This is a hot topic, especially considering the changes Apple has made to its devices over the years. Let's dive right in.
The previous generation, iPhone 6 and 7.
Before we discuss the iPhone 8, let's take a look at its predecessors, the iPhone 6 and 7. The iPhone 6, released in 2014, did have a 3.5mm headphone jack, but with the release of the iPhone 7 in 2016, Apple decided to remove the headphone jack entirely, a move that created quite a buzz in the tech industry.
The iPhone 8 headphone jack or no jack?
Now, let's turn to the star of our discussion, the iPhone 8. Launched in 2017, the iPhone 8 followed the design decision of its immediate predecessor, the iPhone 7. This means, alas, the iPhone 8 does not have a headphone jack. Instead, it relies on wireless audio solutions, like Bluetooth headphones or wired headphones that can be connected via the Lightning port, which is also used for charging the device. Apple also included a Lightning to 3.5mm adapter in the box with the iPhone 8, so users could still use their old headphones with a traditional 3.5mm jack.
Why did Apple remove the headphone jack?
The decision to remove the headphone jack was controversial. Apple cited reasons like space efficiency and the push towards a wireless future as the main reasons for the decision. Despite the initial backlash, the industry has largely followed suit, with many other smartphone manufacturers also removing the headphone jack from their newer models. So, to answer the original question, no, the iPhone 8 does not have a headphone jack. Instead, it favors wireless and Lightning port-connected headphones. While this was a controversial move, it's part of Apple's strategy to encourage users towards a more wireless future. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video helped clear up any confusion about the iPhone 8 and its headphone jack situation.